You are going to love the 2024 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, LED headlights, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.